your dropshipping business is going to fail if your customers are waiting 30 to 60 days for their orders to arrive. At slow shipping times and low quality products, this is going to kill your business. So to help you avoid that, I'm about to put you onto the best Aliexpress alternatives with 1 to 3 day shipping to take your business to the next level. All right, let me start this off by saying, if you have the opportunity to get your products to your customers in as little as 1 to 3 days as a dropshipper in 2025, then you're well ahead of all of your competitors that are out there. I've gone through the struggles of chargeback after chargeback with suppliers like Aliexpress that have completely driven some of my stores to the ground because of the long shipping times. I've tried countless suppliers over the last 7+ years of my dropshipping journey, and it's all led up to this point. Finding a supplier that can provide products for you in a way that allows you to compete and scale with some of the biggest brands out there right from the jump. And that platform is AutoDS. AutoDS triples as a product research, order fulfillment, and automation tool, meaning that you can find winning products, fulfill them through one of their 20+ suppliers, and even automate your orders all in one app. So ultimately, it's a fulfillment platform that can grow your business needs. And let me just say, that is not easy to find. All right, so if we head over to AutoDS, you're gonna see that they have 4 different product research sections that are all scanning the market daily to find products that have the potential to change your life. Let's start off with the marketplace, because that's where you're gonna find those products that I promised you would have 1 to 3 day shipping. And the marketplace shows you pretty much every product that AutoDS has to offer. And you can come in here and filter down by where you want the product to ship to and from, and even the specific price range that you're looking to sell within. So you can be sure that the products that you're viewing are going to allow you to hit your profit margins. From there, you can even search for a specific product through keywords in this box, or if you just know what niche that you wanna sell within, you can also come in here and select that. Whatever you filter down by, they're going to have a product for you that has a high sales potential. But this fast shipping option, this is what I really want you to pay attention to. If you click into this, you can see that you can do that same type of filtering, but this time, it's gonna show you which products that can be shipped out to your customers in as little as 1 day. Are y'all really hearing me right now? 1 day to ship and deliver the product. This is something that just cannot be beat as a new or experienced dropshipper heading into 2025. With platforms like Amazon setting the standard in today's market, consumer expectations, they have drastically shifted. The days when customers were okay with waiting 5 to 10 days for their orders, these days are gone. And now, they expect delivery within just a few days or even overnight. So if you've been hesitant to start your dropshipping business because of today's shipping competition, then this platform right here is the solution that you've been waiting for. But it doesn't stop there. They also have the handpicked product section, which is powered by AI, and it's literally gonna put products that are showing real potential right in front of you. And how it works is AutoDS uses their AI to scan the market daily and identify products that are gaining real interest from real customers in real time. And if you click into any product on this page, you're going to see an entire breakdown of the product all in one place. Like your potential profit margins, the engagement and saturation score, and they even give you a target audience and interest to test based off of what type of customer is currently buying this product the most. And on top of that, you're even going to get the links to your competitor ads and their stores, which just makes replicating their success that much easier. Now the trending product section, this is gonna show you products that are trending across Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. This section is literally showing you what consumers are searching for and actively buying right now. That's why if we head into it right now, you're going to see a lot of winter related products because that is what's currently trending. And as we move closer to new trends, holidays, and seasons, you're going to see new type of trends in this section, which is a really great way to identify exactly what types of products that you should be selling. Now the last and most important section, in my opinion, is the Ads By section. The Ads By section is gonna show you any products that are currently running across different social media platforms. Here, you're able to use the filters and advanced filters to find the exact type of product ads that you're looking for based off of the engagement, the platform that ads are being directed to, and the date posted. So we know a trend that's about to start happening is Valentine's Day. So inside of this search bar right here, let's go ahead and type in Valentine's. I wanna go ahead and make the call to action button text be shop now because I only wanna be seeing shopping ads. Next, I'm gonna come over here and click on advanced filters. I went ahead and put in my top countries. I went ahead and set languages as English. And then for e-commerce platform, I'm gonna go ahead and do Shopify. And I also went ahead and set the creation date as within the last 30 days. So I can see what is currently working the best on the market right now. Now that the filters are all set up, I'm gonna come down and click on apply filters. Now, once your filters are set, any ads that are actively running and meet your criteria, they're going to appear in your results. And I'm telling you right now, if you're seeing ads with solid engagement, that is a huge indicator that the product is attracting customers and driving sales. And I mean, think about it. No advertiser is going to continue to keep pouring money into ads that are not performing. So if the ads are still live, it's a clear sign that they're profitable. And similar ads with the same product, it can deliver the same, if not more success for you. And I actually already dropped a step-by-step video showing you exactly how to consistently find winning products using this platform right here. So make sure you go and check it out right after this video. But before we move on, if you like what you're seeing with AutoDS and you want to try them out on your own dropshipping store, make sure you take advantage of the link that I left in my description. That's gonna let you try their platform out for 30 days for only $1 single. Now, you remember when I said that this is a platform that can grow with your business? Well, once you get familiar with it and you start to find your own winning products that are bringing in at least 5 to 10 consistent sales per day, that's when you can start to automate the entire fulfillment process so that you can focus on what really matters most: scaling your business. So for those of you who do not know, when you're just starting out and making sales, the fulfillment process is a pretty manual process where you have to actually go into each one of these orders and fulfill them one by one. But as your store grows and you start pulling in hundreds of orders a day, manually managing and fulfilling each one of them, it's just not realistic. And it's only gonna be a matter of days before fulfillment delays and customer satisfaction take a hit. So as your business scales, AutoDS's fulfillment options are designed to scale right alongside you with their Fulfilled by AutoDS option, just making it easier to manage your growth seamlessly. All you have to do is just connect AutoDS to your store and then load your balance to pay the supplier for the products. And then once your order comes in, instead of coming in and manually fulfilling every single order, all you have to do is go to your order section and change the status from pending to ordered. From there, AutoDS is gonna take care of everything moving forward, from fulfilling the orders, sending out tracking numbers, and even dealing with any returns. All right, now that I put you onto one of the best suppliers out there on the market right now, I need you to understand that no matter which supplier that you choose to use for your store, it is critical to understand the key characteristics of a reliable supplier. This understanding is what's gonna make sure that you're setting yourself up for success right out the gate. But before we get into exactly what you should be looking for to identify a solid supplier on any fulfillment platform that you decide to use, I'm giving out a giveaway today. So if you want the chance to hop in on a free one-on-one consulting call with myself and my team to learn exactly how to start and scale your dropshipping business, then make sure you smash that like button down below and comment the word dropshipping along with your biggest takeaway from this video. All right, so let's go ahead and get down to it. What should you be looking for when choosing a supplier to ensure that you're setting up your store for long-term success? Well, first, you've gotta have a supplier that offers fast shipping or at least multiple shipping options. Like I mentioned earlier, customers, they're not gonna be waiting weeks for their products anymore. That means that when you are looking for a supplier, look for ones that offer express or priority shipping options, even if it does cost you a little extra. This flexibility, it lets you stick with your preferred fulfillment platform while still ensuring that your customers stay happy and continue to keep coming back. At the end of the day, shipping speed and product quality, this should always be your top priority when picking the right supplier for your business, which leads me to the next characteristic that you should be looking for in your potential supplier, which is a positive feedback rating. So suppliers' reviews and ratings, think of these like a report card. And you wanna make sure that you're always working with someone who has consistently delivered quality products and service. Look for suppliers with at least a 90% positive feedback to ensure reliability and professionalism. Now, another key point to look for is that the supplier has high order volume. If a supplier has successfully processed thousands of orders, that is a really good indicator that they know how to handle logistics and inventory at scale. Plus, it's a sign that the product that you're interested in, it might already have a proven demand in the market. Next, you want a supplier who is open to communication and negotiation. This is huge because whether you're working out bulk discounts, discussing branding opportunities, or resolving an issue, having a supplier that can easily reach out to gives you just so much more control over your business. And finally, and to me probably the most important, is you have to make sure that the supplier can meet your profit margins. And to give you an idea of whether a supplier can meet the profit margins that you want to be reaching or not, you're going to do a very quick, simple math equation. First off, you're going to take the product cost, including shipping, and you're gonna add those together. Let's say that comes out to $12. You're then gonna take that $12 and you're gonna multiply it by 2.5, which is going to give you a total of $30. And that 2.5 margin, this is the industry standard in the dropshipping space to get anywhere between 20 to 40% profit on the product that you're selling. So what that equation is going to do is it's gonna tell you that if you're planning to sell a product at $30, the most that you can pay to fulfill your products is $12 in order to reach that 2.5 margin per product sold. At the end of the day, this business is all about one thing and one thing only: profit. And this equation is your blueprint for staying profitable while setting your business up for growth. But something that you should know is that you're not locked in on that 2.5x margin, because depending on your goals, you can even aim to have that even higher. Now that 2.5x margin, you cannot go under that. I do want to make that clear, but you can always adjust and keep moving that number up and pushing the profit margins that you want to achieve. Now, if you've made it this far, you're now locked in with the best Aliexpress alternative to take your online business to the next level in 2025. But on top of that, you also know exactly how to spot a solid supplier no matter what platform that you're using, which is key to running a successful dropshipping business, especially while just getting started. And now that you got this knowledge, it's time to take things to the next level and start finding those winning products that have your suppliers working overtime, just to keep up with your sales. So make sure to go ahead and meet me at this next video where I'll be walking you through step by step on how to identify, find, and verify winning products for your dropshipping business. I'll see you there. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.